Great and amazing people, you are welcome again to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I really appreciate you all. Today's video is about what I bought from Sainsbury's and B&M. Share my video, like, comment, relax and enjoy today's video. Guys, I have my shopping here. This is the receipt from B&M. I spent £44 37p. £44 37p from B&M. From Sainsbury's, I spent £62 40p. I misplaced the receipt. £62 40p. So I'm going to tell you the price of each item. So for this, I got this from Sainsbury's. It's very heavy, guys. This from Sainsbury's. So this casserole dish, nice looking pot, very heavy. So I got it for £20. £20. Same here, the casserole dish from Sainsbury's. I think it's 5.3 liters. So I got it for £20. So £20 each. So that's £40. This one, I got it from B&M. It's £24. £24. It says it's non-stick. It's a non-stick ceramic, healthy ceramic non-stick pan. So I can use it for my stir fry. I can use it for so many things. So this is £24 from B&M. Also heavy as well. Looking good. Very, very good. So this is also from B&M. This one is £2 25p. It's hot chocolate. Yeah. £2 25p. This is sprinkles. It's £1 95p. £1 95p. I bought two of this. I got two of this. £1 95p. So this one is coconut body wash. It's £1 99p. £1 99p. So this is multi-purpose cleaner. It's £1. £1. So this one is biscuit, milk, chocolate, gingers. It's £1 49p. £1 49p. This is another body wash, soap bath. It's £1. £1. So this toothpick, the money is already written there. So it's £1 50p. £1 50p. So this is Horlicks. Horlicks is £2. £2. So this one is skinny cookies biscuits. It's £1 25p. £1.25p. I also have spoons here. It's £2. It's already written there, £2. And this is cough syrup. It's £1.99p. £1.99p. So I'm going to pack it back so that I can unbox this box, this pot with you guys. So let's put this back here. So altogether from B&M and Sainsbury's, I spent £106.77p. £106.77p. So let's see what we have here. We're packed. Okay. So we have the covers here. So it's with the cover, guys. It's with the cover. Let's take it. I'll take it out for you guys to see. Oh, I think this for this one. Guys, let me know which one is your favorite. The saucepan, the pot, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section your favorites. Look at it, guys. Look at that. Yes, look at that. So which one is your favorite? Is it the queso dish, or is it this saucepan, or this pot? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section which one you like from all this. So let's put them all back here. Remember, I said I spent £106.77. So these are all that I got from Sainsbury's and B&M. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.